Hi, my name is Dwayne Newville, Head of Tech of Suprema UK. Today we'll be unboxing our flagship device called the BioStation 3. I'll hand it over to George, who's going to go through everything that comes inside this box and let you know the amazing features that this device brings.
Hi, it's George at Suprema. This is a BioStation 3. Before I unbox it, I'm just going to go through some of the main key features that I'll be able to show later on in the video. Some of the key features that will be coming out with the BioStation 3 are face template on mobile, PoE+, Wi-Fi, interphone, a 3D module that you can connect to the back of the device. The BioStation 3 will offer free non-contact authentication methods. That will be the face template on card, QR code and mobile access. And of course, one of the most anticipated features is the VoIP interphone. This will allow you to connect the BioStation 3 as a SIP interphone endpoint so that you can actually place a call directly to the device, place a call from the device and open the relay anywhere, anytime. So if we get into the box, you'll have the download for BioStar 2, wall mount guide, open source software guide and the quick start guide. You'll also have the wiring pack, so for all the wires that attach to the back of the device and the actual screws that attach the device to the wall. And then if we actually get the BioStation 3 out, then this is the BioStation 3. The main cable, depending if you're pairing it via the PoE, will be the power cable. So this is just a 2-pin cable that goes into the back of the device, and this will accept 24 volt, 1.5 amp. That just goes in here. The next cable will be part of the Wiegand set, where if you're inputting or outputting any Wiegand data from the device, will be these 2 wires here. So the next most important wire will be the relay wire. This is what actually controls the door lock or the mag lock. The other cable that could be of use is the RS485. This is used for any slave or master connections. That then goes in just above the relay. And last but not least is the TTL input cable that will contain inputs either on the door contact or the door exit lines. And then there will be 3 inputs with this device rather than our standard 2. There is also the EXT USB port. This is what eventually connect the 3G module that can be added at a later date. There's also obviously the Ethernet port. This will connect to the network over Cat5 or Cat6 cable, and obviously what provides PoE+. So looking at the back of the device as well, you can see all the ports are labelled. So if you do get confused, you can just have a look at the back and then have a look at the operation manual and figure out where each wire goes. So the BioStation 3 is also IP rated at IP65 and IK rated at IK06. If we actually have a look at the size compared to an iPhone Pro Max 13, you can see that it is almost the exact same size and very easy to install on the wall. The BioStation 3 is also our first device to support PoE+. That means you can easily power the device just by plugging in one cable. The BioStation 3 also supports RTSP, which means the video feed from device can be checked from any other device. The BioStation 3 will also support mobile credential on card. This means that no actual face credentials are kept on the device, they're all kept within your own mobile. So there is also the new addition of a specific NPU, which is a neural processing unit. This improves recognition time and fake detection. So the BioStation 3 also supports QR functionality, meaning you can get a QR code on a mobile device, scan that on the camera at the very top and authenticate. So there will be 2 models of the BioStation 3, one being the DB, where it will support dual card and Bluetooth, and the other being APBW, where it will support all cards, PoE, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. As you can see on the back of the device as well, there is the speaker port where all sound is output, and the USB port on the bottom that can be attached to get logs and for firmware update. So that was the BioStation 3 unboxing. I've been George at Suprema. See you next time.